What are some recipes I can make without protein powder? You don't need protein powder to fuel your body. There's this misconception that muscles will vanish unless you're guzzling shakes all day. Spoiler, they won't. There are plenty of whole food options packed with protein and flavor. First up, chia pudding. People overlook chia seeds, but they pack 4 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. Mix chia seeds with some almond milk and let it sit overnight in the fridge. Add fruit, nuts, or honey for a powerhouse breakfast. Then there's overnight oats. This one's my go-to when I'm in a rush. Combine oats, your favorite milk, some Greek yogurt, and toppings like peanut butter or berries. Overnight, it turns into a creamy, high-protein treat. 5 grams per half cup of oats. For a savory option, consider hummus wraps. Chickpeas are actually protein-packed with 15 grams per cup. Spread hummus on a whole grain tortilla, add spinach, shredded carrots, and avocado. Fold it up and boom, simple and satisfying. Ever heard of protein pancakes without powder? Mash a banana, mix it with 2 eggs, and cook like pancakes. Super easy and about 12 grams of protein per serving. Top with almond butter or Greek yogurt for bonus points. Here's a pro tip. Switch to quinoa as your base for meals. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein with 8 grams per cup, cooked. Replace rice with quinoa in stir-fries, salads, or even soup. Instant protein boost. And roasted chickpeas? Game changer. Toss them in olive oil and your fave spices, then bake until crispy. You've got yourself a crunchy, addictive snack with 6 grams of protein per quarter cup. Way better than chips. If you love smoothies but don't want to rely on powders, blend spinach, Greek yogurt, almond butter, and some fruit. Greek yogurt alone gives you 20 grams of protein per cup. Bonus, no chalky aftertaste. How about lentil soup? It's ridiculously easy. Simmer lentils, broth, onions, and veggies of your choice. Lentils pack 18 grams of protein per cup, cooked. Plus, it's hearty enough to crush those mid-afternoon hunger pangs. Snacks don't have to be boring. Try hard-boiled eggs, 6 grams of protein each. Sprinkle with everything bagel seasoning or a pinch of chili powder. They're portable, satisfying, and cost about 20 cents a pop. Edamame is another overlooked gem, 17 grams of protein per cup. Steam it, sprinkle with sea salt, and you've got a protein snack that tastes like an amped-up version of popcorn. Also, it's kind of fun to eat. For dinner, stuffed bell peppers. Fill them with quinoa, black beans, diced tomatoes, and cheese. Black beans add another 15 grams of protein per cup, and the peppers? Loaded with vitamins. It's a win-win. Lastly, if you're craving dessert, try protein-packed energy bites. Mix oats, peanut butter, honey, and chia seeds, roll into little balls, and refrigerate. Tons of protein, about 3 to 4 grams per bite, with zero guilt. You'll thank me later.